Mr. J's pottery class.
Welcome to
Rider News. Woo!
Hello, Rough Riders. We want to thank Mr. Johnson's 5th period class for introducing this episode of Rider News. This week, we have coverage on our recent 8th grade tour, a video game spotlight on Identity 5, and a comical blender challenge. I'm London. Let's get started. Up first, we have the recent 8th grade tour of our Rough Riders CTE programs, with Peyton leading our coverage. Take it away, Peyton.
This week, the 8th graders from Stevens came to tour the high school's CTE programs available. Let's see what they found out.
This class for freshmen will be in the afternoon. It is automotive technology, so it's freshmen through seniors.
I teach machine shop, welding, and 4+ aero. So what we usually do is have you guys come in and do one class of machine shop, and then we learn the basics of hand tools, and then we'll slowly progress to the building.
That car, this car here, is down to the back, goes in the rear, and goes into the aisle.
Okay, so this is Trading Tech. In Trading Tech, we learn about home wiring, how to solder, we work with low voltage wiring, we learn how to work with sheet metals, we learn how to work with wood. And so Trading Tech is a half-year intro class. Fine Woods 1, which, like I said, most of those kids are freshmen, is a year-long class. When you start the year, you don't know how to use any of the machines. By the end of the year, you can use them all independently. Okay? I've talked to you more than I talk to my classes during the day.
Do that. You can start out with Tinkercad as a freshman, but I'll be honest with you, by the time you get around Christmas, you kind of go like, I'm done with Tinkercad, I'm ready to be a big kid. Can you show me how to use these other programs? So they use things like Onshape, they use Fusion 360. My upper level kids are using Rhino 3D. I've got 3 kids. Any F1 kids in here? F1 racing? F1 racing? No? Darn it. You guys know what Red Bull is? You've heard of Red Bull, right? Red Bull Racing. So I got some students that are working with an engineer in California. You guys ever heard of Max Verstappen? Racer? F1? Yeah.
I'm Mr. Thomason, and I teach engineering here at Port Angeles High School.
How long have you been teaching engineering?
At the high school, just 2 years.
What is your favorite thing about teaching engineering?
My favorite thing about teaching engineering is just seeing kids creatively problem solve.
Thank you to Peyton for that segment. Now let's check out what Bonna and Dylan have for their video game review on Identity 5.
Welcome to the new segment of Rider News, Rider Game Reviews. I'm your host, Dylan.
And I'm your host, Bonnie.
And let's start. Today we are reviewing Identity 5, which is a 4 versus 1 asymmetrical horror game similar to the likes of Dead by Daylight. Before we jump into the review, we have 20 seconds of game news. Let's get into it.
Welcome to 20 Seconds of Game News. In Roblox, you'll be able to appear offline and join voice chat parties.
In Fortnite, they added a new Midas skin.
In Marvel Rivals, there's a new game mode called Clone Wars.
In terms of Minecraft news, they are releasing a Minecraft movie on April 4th, 2025, and they are adding new biome-based mobs.
We're done with 20 Seconds of Game News. Let's get into the review.
What exactly is Identity 5?
Great question.
Identity 5, also known as Identity V or just shortened to IDV, is a 4 versus 1 asymmetrical horror game similar to the likes of Dead by Daylight. Choosing survivor, you have to work together with 3 other survivors to decode 5 ciphers and open the exit gates and have at least 2 survivors escape while a hunter chases you. Choosing hunter, you have to chase survivors and hit them before placing them in rocket chairs to win the game. Each survivor and hunter has their own abilities with buffs and debuffs. It is completely free to play for both purchasing characters and their skins. It's very easy to get high tier skins with their in-game currencies that you get from playing the game. There's also been many collaborations with brands in the past as well, such as Hello Kitty, Detective Conan, Death Note, and the currently ongoing collaboration with Sherlock Holmes. Now, let's get on to the rating.
Thank you to our news team for their profile of that interesting video game. To round out this episode, we have the long-awaited blender challenge. Let's put on our aprons and see what's mixing in the Rider News kitchen. Welcome to
the blender
challenge. Lexi, left or right?
Left. Right. Yeah.
Okay.
Lexi? Yeah? I hear chip bags.
It's frozen fruit, obviously.
It's just acai mix.
It's just acai.
Okay.
Wait, are we supposed to have our eyes closed?
No, we can't see
Why
it.
would we have our
How are we
eyes
supposed
closed?
to put it
Well,
in?
I don't know if she's putting it in and
Oh,
we're...
I'm so stupid. Okay. Chloe, left or right?
Right.
This.
Maybe point. Well, she knows her left and
Are
right.
you kidding me right now? I don't. I had to go like that. That's horrible, Chloe. Thanks a lot.
What?
Whatever it was.
Alyssa, left or right?
Left.
Good choice.
Good choice.
Yes, good choice.
No, I feel like that's sarcasm. It's not a good choice. Thanks for making me feel bad. Riley? Right. Left or right? Left or right? I just said right.
That so weird. Oh, this is
Lexi, left or right?
Right. More ingredients? Yeah. Good lord.
Calvin, I everything. Chloe, left or right? Left. What? Left? Yeah. Oh, okay.
Okay.
No. Why are you saying
left or right?
Don't do it, Alyssa. None.
Bruh.
No! Right. I don't want it.
Left or right?
Left.
Put it in there.
Are you kidding me?
Did you see the reaction?
It's probably like it's good and they're like happy.
Oh my god.
Wait, are we using all of them?
Oh, what? Okay, redo that part. Just
No,
don't put that
you
part in.
can't.
I mean, I can always switch stuff. That's cheating. Okay, I'm gonna do it again.
Thank God.
Left or right, Alyssa? Actually, wait, Riley, left or right?
Left.
Are you kidding?
Well, by everyone's reaction, I don't
What is
think
wrong
we're
with you?
eating good food today. We're not eating good.
Okay, everyone close their eyes.
Could we throw up from this?
Are they closed?
I think I will. I don't even. You're closed! Chloe, get your.
Is that Chloe's? Whose hand is that?
I don't want. Are you looking, Riley?
No.
Can you hold my hand? It's funny. What was that? You just touched my leg.
Stop, Riley, stop. Stop. Okay, I just heard a weird noise. Oh my god. Ow!
No, you put too much in. It's not working.
Stop.
Ow! We can put less of the other ones in it. I'm about done feeling my. Are we done?
orange.
I can. No. I can smell it, London. London, I can smell it. It smells fresh. Yeah, it smells fresh. Hang on. What? Yeah, I just put the entire orange in. If it's like orange and fish.
Protein.
Yeah.
That's a
That's
weird.
why we would just do it in front.
I want to look so bad.
Take the thing off.
Wait, are we looking before it's blended? No. Are you stupid? Why? No. You're stupid. Oh my gosh.
Ow!
Stop.
Ow! Don't pinch me.
Can you? My hair!
Hello? Who's touching who?
God, everyone stop. Whose hand is this?
Stop, don't feel my muscle, please.
Behave, children.
Ow! Ow! Chloe!
Oh my gosh.
Okay, that's just silence. The way I'm falling off my chair. The way I don't have a chair.
You're on top of my chair.
Face yourself.
How are you guys' eyes not open?
Don't
Wait, are we
open.
supposed to open them?
Don't open! Don't open!
Did you just open them?
Scoot your chair
I just was
forward.
wondering.
I'm closing my eyes.
I'm
Oh,
actually
I'm
really
trying not to fall off the seat because Alyssa.
How are we supposed to open
Are you
this?
kidding me, Chloe?
London?
Yeah. She's not letting me have an inch on her chair, by the way.
Will we throw up from this?
No.
Chloe,
her over. Keep your hands to
I've never had
yourself.
sardines.
Oh my god, are you kidding me? I forfeit.
Last ingredient.
I actually forfeit.
More water.
Really?
Lexi.
Close it.
Can we look?
Can we look?
No.
Oh my
Keep your
God.
eyes closed. We just have to blend it. Keep your eyes closed.
Yep.
Is there milk?
All the way down.
Is there fruit in it?
I smell orange and pizza. All I smell is that ratchet tuna. And I'm tuna! But it's not smell tuna. Okay, what are you talking about? Is it done? Okay, wait.
Keep your eyes closed.
Get ready.
Are you actually serious right now? I'm not having that. Okay, it's a little watery. I'm not why am I?
Are we able to smell it?
Yeah. I'm 1000% not drinking that.
Yeah.
Hey, don't do that! You're such a cheater.
Chloe.
I don't even care. I can't.
Put it on top. Should we go like this? Should we like...
Yum yum.
I just smell orange.
Does anyone have a straw?
Yum yum. Yeah, can we have a straw?
I'm so sorry.
Drink.
No. We need to prepare ourselves.
Okay,
Do we go at once or all together? No, I'm scared.
Countdown.
Please
Countdown.
stop.
Okay.
I'm not doing it yet. I'm not doing it yet.
4.
No.
3. Are you joking? 2. Take a sip. Take a sip.
What is that?
Chloe, did you forget it? Didn't want to.
I'm done.
Thanks for watching our Blender
Well, that was
News
dramatic.
Rider News Blender Challenge.
Thanks, guys.
Don't smell it.
It's
Hannah.
disgusting. It
Don't
tastes like when I eat my banana. I wish I could Daniel. Oh, it tastes like banana.
Wow, that one really left me chuckling. Make sure to check out the QR codes in the hallways and answer our weekly questions.
Welcome back to Rider News QR codes. Last week's QR question was, would you rather Mexican food or Italian food? This week, if you have the best answer, you win a prize.
Don't forget, scan QR, answer question, win prize, good deal. Well, that's a wrap from News Desk. Thank you to everyone who participated in this week's episode. Until next time, be well, be kind, study hard, and ride on, Rough Riders.